joint. So we have all these spherical connection, right? We know here we had to attach limbs, connect parts of the body. So now we say two head, right? Here to here. So that's the where the foot will get down to, but we could draw it like this, or we could draw it. Let's see. Let me try again. I want to think here. Okay, that's too long. So it should be here. So the ankle should be here. But now I can flex the foot, right? There's the rib cage. So now we could block in this arm forward, like this, going over the figure like this, right? Or block it back like this, right? Visualize different possibilities, right? Joints. And we're gonna block in now the breasts here, right? So without measuring, right, we have now the total side, the total length of the height of the rib cage. So remember that this spacing here, right, this length here, if I divide it in two uneven half, where the upper half is going to be bigger than the lower half, that's pretty much the ratio between sternum and costal arch. So this should be bigger and that should be smaller. So now with this, if my subject has small breast, the small breast will probably be slightly higher than the seventh, right? It's going to be here like this, right? If instead the breasts are larger, the bigger they are, the lower, the closer they move to the margin of the costal arch, and to the point where they could also be below that, right? So let's make regular breasts in here, where we have now this much space between the breast and the costal arch, and maybe the pectoralis, like this. We can start hinting at the pectoralis, we can start hinting at clavicle, we can start hinting the various parts. But I would say overall,